All right, guys, this is going to be our quick intro video on Photopea. So Photopea is a web-based app. It's completely free. It'll look just like this every single time you log in. And the best part is you don't have to actually download anything. We will be using this until we hopefully get back to our classroom and we can use the Macs and use Photoshop. But for now, we'll be using Photopea because, as you can see, it looks almost identical to Photoshop, and it does just about everything the exact same. When we're using Photopea, the two options we're going to use for the class are New Project and Open from Computer. If you guys want to mess around with the free templates or want to mess around with these demos, go ahead. But for the class, we're going to use New Project. If you click on New Project, it'll ask you what size you want your canvas. You'll pick a size, and then it's going to give you a blank screen, or you can edit anything you need to at that point. The next one is going to be Open from Computer. So this is where you're going to maybe open a photo that you've just taken. It might be opening up a project that you started working on earlier, or you might be opening up an image that you've downloaded from the internet. So I'm just going to start with a new project that I can kind of show you some of the tools. Once we click on New Project, it's going to pop this window up. It's going to ask you if you want any templates. If you would like to use the templates, you're more than welcome. If you'd like to just get a blank canvas, you're going to click on what size you want. I generally kind of stick with the Instagram square because then I can post it straight to Instagram. I'm going to change the name. So I'm just going to call it Photopea Intro. And then once I'm ready to go, I just need to click Create. And that's going to give me the white background canvas. In Photopea, just like Photoshop, up top we have the options menu. So this is going to be, if we're missing any tools, they'll all be under Windows. You can change your view, play with the filters. There's kind of some more tools under Select and more tools under Layer. You can change your image size, add some adjustments under Image. Edit's going to have some more tools, and then File is going to be where you save or open and import and that kind of stuff. Right underneath File, where my mouse is right now, that's going to be your Tools bar. And we'll go through all of these tools throughout this class, and when you guys are editing, we'll go through these tools. And you also have some other tools right down here, and we're going to go through these also later this school year. As you click on tools, you'll notice that this options bar right here starts to change. The options bar kind of has like tools inside of tools or editing specific parts of tools. So if I click on my paintbrush, I can change my brush size, my brush hardness, shape, all that kind of stuff. If I click on my stamp, it has my blend mode or my opacity and just other kind of features that each tool will do. Right over here are going to be our panel section. The main one you're going to be using is your layers panel. And we'll be going over that later in this school year. But adding layers is going to kind of be the building block of all images that we make. And just think about it as like stacking pieces of your art piece or of your photo on top of each other until you finally complete that piece.